In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sound effect to a video in Kapwing. If you're looking to enhance your videos by including sound effects, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. First things first, let's head over to Kapwing's website. You can simply open your browser and type kapwing.com to access the platform. Kapwing is a user-friendly tool that allows you to create a wide range of content quickly and easily, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced creators. Once you're on the Kapwing website, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. You'll be prompted to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can do so, but today we'll proceed with signing in for those of you who already have accounts. Click on Sign In with Google to continue this straightforward sign-in process, which is secure and quick. You'll be redirected to the Google login page. From there, just select your account and you'll be taken back to Kapwing's interface. Now that you're logged in, look for your project on the main dashboard. Just a click on your project will open it and take you straight to the editing space, where the magic happens. Once you're in your project, it's time to integrate that sound effect you have in mind. Begin by selecting and uploading your desired audio file. You can do this by clicking on the Upload button and choosing the audio file from your computer. Kapwing supports various formats, so choose what fits best for your needs. Once the audio is uploaded, go ahead and drag it onto the timeline. The timeline is where you compile all the elements of your video, including video clips, images, and audio. By dragging the sound effect into the timeline, you place it where it can be managed and edited along with your video footage. Now here's a crucial step. Adjust where you want the sound effect to occur in your video. You can do this by clicking and dragging the audio clip along the timeline to the precise moment you need the sound to play. As you adjust the timing, consider watching your video from start to finish to see how well the audio syncs with the video visuals. This might take a bit of trial and error, but Kapwing provides a smooth editing experience that makes this task manageable. Once you're satisfied with the timing and placement, you're all set. Your video now has its desired sound effect, and you can proceed with any final edits before exporting the finished product. And there you have it. Now you know how to incorporate sound effects into your video using Kapwing. Adding these effects can significantly enhance the storytelling aspect and entertainment value of your videos. Don't forget to play around with other features on Kapwing to fully explore its capabilities. Happy editing!